Let me show you how to set up your trading view so that you have higher time frame moving average on your lower time frame. So we are now on the 15-minute time frame here, and you may be wondering, how can I get a moving average from the daily time frame here? And the answer is very simple. We go to indicator, here we type in MA or moving average, and then we just click on it. By default, you can see TradingView gives us this 9-period moving average from the specific time frame. But we want to have a daily time frame moving average. So we hover over here, we open the settings. Under time frame, we change it to day. And now you already have here your daily moving average. Let's zoom out and you can see this is the daily moving average, the 9-period, which is coming from the daily time frame. And we can also make it a little bit bigger so that it is clearer. And wherever time frame we are going now, we can even go as low as the 1 minute, 30 seconds, it doesn't matter. And now you can see on the 1 minute time frame, we have our daily moving average here. So it doesn't matter on which time frame we are, we have our higher time frame moving average now on the lower time frame. And you can do this for any indicator. For example, we could have our stochastic, and we are on the 1 hour chart, but let's assume we want to have our stochastic from the weekly. We open the stochastic settings here, then under input we go to time frame and we can choose weekly. And now you can see, let's make this a little bit clearer. You can see that this is now the weekly period stochastic on the 1 hour time frame. So this is a great way to really customize your TradingView experience to the time frame that you want. You have a multi-time frame approach right on your lower time frame. You don't need to leave your lower time frame. And it's a really cool feature that can be used in many different ways.